Welcome to Apex Motorhome, where luxury meets the road. Stay with me till the end, you don't want to miss this. And hey, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more next-level journeys.
Imagine pulling up in a $15 million machine that turns highways into red carpets and makes every passerby stop and stare. This is not just an RV, this is the Bugatti Élysium, a 4-floor rolling mansion redefining luxury travel, and you are watching Apex Motorhome, where elite dreams meet the open road. If you love next-level motorhomes, hit subscribe, because what you are about to see will change how you think about life on wheels forever right now, and trust me, this experience only gets crazier with every second you keep watching this video today, right here always. From the outside, the Bugatti Élysium looks like a futuristic hypercar fused with a luxury yacht. Its matte black finish flows like liquid metal across an aerodynamic body accented with chrome lines and signature Bugatti styling. The massive panoramic windows stretch across multiple levels, giving a glimpse of the opulence inside, while custom LED lighting wraps the exterior, creating a dramatic presence day or night sitting. On precision-engineered wheels, this motorhome glides rather than drives, commanding attention on every highway in the United States and beyond. Wherever it goes, effortlessly turning every arrival into a full cinematic moment always. Step inside the first floor and you are welcomed into a grand living lounge that feels more like a 5-star penthouse than a vehicle. Premium leather seating surrounds a smart glass coffee table, while a hidden entertainment system rises seamlessly, delivering immersive surround sound. The lighting adjusts automatically to match the mood, whether it is daytime cruising or it's a relaxed evening stop. A fully equipped designer kitchen is beautifully integrated on this same level, featuring marble countertops, high-end appliances, a built-in oven, induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and clever storage solutions, making it perfect for cooking gourmet meals on the road without sacrificing style, comfort, or functionality at any given moment effortlessly. Now imagine this scene: the Bugatti Élysium is gracefully parked along a breathtaking mountain road somewhere in the United States, surrounded by towering peaks and fresh morning air. The sun is slowly rising, casting golden light across the landscape. Beside the motorhome, a couple sits peacefully, husband and wife, enjoying a warm cup of tea as the world wakes up around them. The panoramic windows reflect the mountains, while soft ambient lighting glows inside, creating a perfect harmony between luxury and nature. This is not just travel, this is a lifestyle where every becomes a memory and every view feels like a private escape, designed for pure relaxation and connection. Moving up to the second floor, you enter a private executive suite designed for productivity and relaxation. Combined, a sleek office setup with integrated screens, high-speed connectivity, and ergonomic seating allows you to work from anywhere in America without missing a beat. When it is time to unwind, the space transforms into a luxury lounge with a minibar, ambient lighting, and plush seating, creating the perfect environment for conversations, entertainment, or simply enjoying the view through expansive windows that frame every landscape like a moving piece of art, bringing calm, luxury, and focus together in one flawless experience. On the third floor, the Eligium reveals its private master bedroom, a sanctuary of comfort and design. A king-size bed sits at the center, dressed in premium fabrics with customizable firmness and climate control. Surrounding walls feature integrated storage, soft touch materials, and a wraparound display that can simulate any environment, from a sunrise beach to a star-filled sky. A spacious walk-in closet and a spa-inspired bathroom with rainfall shower and smart mirrors complete this level, delivering a hotel suite experience that travels with you wherever the road leads, in absolute silence, comfort, and unmatched privacy. And now the fourth floor, the crown jewel of this rolling masterpiece, an open rooftop lounge designed for unforgettable moments, featuring a glass-enclosed sky deck with panoramic views, a jacuzzi seating area, and a customizable entertainment zone. This level is perfect for hosting guests, enjoying sunsets, or simply relaxing under the stars. Advanced safety systems ensure stability even at height, while retractable roofing allows you to switch between open-air freedom and climate-controlled comfort, making every destination feel like a private luxury resort on wheels, unlike anything else ever created. In modern engineering and design excellence today, truly beyond luxury, the Bugatti Élysium is powered by cutting-edge engineering, delivering smooth performance, intelligent driving assistance, and advanced suspension that adapts to every terrain. Its smart control system integrates navigation, security, climate, and entertainment into one seamless interface, accessible from anywhere inside the motorhome. Energy efficiency is optimized through hybrid technology and solar Integration ensuring long-range travel without compromise. Every detail is crafted to provide a driving and living experience that feels effortless, refined, and incredibly powerful, whether cruising highways or parked in breathtaking locations across the United States, delivering unmatched confidence and control at all times, always. This $15 million Bugatti Élysium is more than a motorhome. It is a statement of status, innovation, and limitless freedom. If this is your first time seeing Apex Motorhome, make sure you subscribe, because we bring you the most insane luxury vehicles on the planet every single week. Drop a comment and tell us which floor impressed you the most and where you would take this masterpiece next. Until then, keep dreaming big, keep exploring, and we will see you in the next video with something even more unbelievable coming soon on your screens. Stay tuned right here always.